Okay, everyone. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back again to our live stream. I'm so angry because I was talking for I think at least 15 minutes before I realized my stream was out. It didn't actually really connect, and yeah, I was just talking to myself. It happens sometimes. So, like I was saying, this, I mean, you don't know what I was saying, but I was talking to myself. So, yeah, consider it as I was saying something before you even heard me say it. Okay, anyway. So, like I was saying, this was a ISM, manufacturing news. It broke below the previous support area. This was the Delhi support area. It managed to break below the Delhi support area. Then what happened was the price, it's looking like a fake out in the 30 minutes, or even it's a hourly, yeah, not hourly, but fake out in the 30 minute. Because if this closes as it is, this will probably correct the full move and give us a nice push up to this zone about 1580. And if it has more volume, this will actually break the previous zone and push further up. So let's see how this goes. I already took 3 trades. दुईटा ट्रेड चाहिँ मैले यहाँभित्र लिएको थिएँ. एउटा ट्रेड चाहिँ मिलेन, अर्को ट्रेड मिल्यो, तर आई डिडन्ट कन्सिडर दिस एज अ भ्यालिड रिटेस्ट टु द सपोर्ट, किनभने आई थट द सपोर्ट वाज वे ओभर रेजिस्टेन्स यता माथि थियो जस्तो लागेको थियो, तर नो, दिस वाज प्रोबेबली अ सपोर्ट and it came just shy of this week and grabbed liquidity, moved down. Maybe it was due to news, but I don't know for sure. So if this was the news move and this is gonna be a fake out, we can see a possible buy over here. So let's wait and watch how this candle closes, then we will take an entry. Okay, this looks nice. All right, this candle closed right back in the range, and so I think, considering this as our possible zone, the price will have no hesitation moving up to this 1580s area, and we might actually correct the whole move from the news. Look at the hourly. Yeah, it closed like a heavy liquidity, or what do you call it, a rejection. Okay, so we will be looking for a entry, maybe formation of some wick over here, then we can possibly take another entry. I mean, is this a nice wick? Nah, I want it to be bigger. Yeah, maybe up to this. Okay, I'm seeing a buy over here. I mean, I already took some trades, but I'm still not satisfied because this does look like a higher probability trade to me. This does look like a fake out. So a fake out is a really high probability trade, and it might actually give me the continuation for the price to move up. So my stop loss is gonna be around 15 pips, and I will be taking a buy, which I'll make 16 pips because the spread is really high. I'm gonna take a buy over here. If I get stopped at, okay, so be it. I don't care. But looking at this candle, this looks like a possible fake out, and this might continue the move up, or this could have just been a retest to the support, but it got back in the support. So that is why I think it is a fake out. It got back right in the support. Let's see what happens. I didn't look at the 4-hour candle, but the 4-hour is looking bearish. and the higher time frame. Let's see if this plays out as I think it will play out. If not, we're just gonna have to close this trade as a break even trade. Way to go, my brother. Yes, give us that push. We still have about 40 minutes for this London session to close. So, yeah, we are getting the nice push. Give my all to you. I want to take profits about here. So 20 pips from around at 40 pips, but it might have the possibility to continue further up. I think it's because I hesitate to take profits, I ended up with break-even trades or even losing trade because I don't know, it's probably my fault for not taking profit when market gave me the profit. Like we're at the resistance over here. But let's see how this goes. Let's see this giving me the push up to the say 1580. $15.77. Give your all to me, baby girls. Give your all to me. I'll give my all to you. Yeah, give us that move. Give us that nice push. Yeah, baby. अरे बब्बी त भाबी के गरेछ तुर्लुङ हल्ला छ यार तलमाथि एउटै मोसन देऊ न तिमी अरे आहा okay, it came back to my take profit zone, so I think I'm gonna close partials at this point, which is still not 1780 as I hoped for, but something is better than nothing. Oh my god, my trade size was really small, tiny. I'm gonna close about 0.10 and I'm gonna leave the rest at, I think I might even put the stop loss way above here, a bit over here. Okay, yeah, this looks good. If this breaks above the zone, I will continue it as a runner and maybe want it to give me the push to the 1590s area. Okay, this was a higher probability trade. Give your all to me. Give my all. You mine and my baby, even when okay, this is the end of our trading session because we will only be looking at the candles till 17. Now whatever happens, I will not be caring at this point. Okay, let's go to our next market, next day. Oh yeah, it took me out, it seems like, and now it's ranging. But it's all good. It's all good. 4, 8, 12. All right. Okay, so this is Tuesday now, and what we can see is this: there is a daily support at this zone, which is around, I don't know, 1570, 68, something like that. This is our daily support, and in the 1 hour we can see it acting as a support as well. This is a hammer candle by the looks of it. It shows us the potential flip in the direction of the market, and the flip did happen. Flip did happen, but we can see the trend is still looking very bearish, and this was our previous resistance. I mean the previous support, but now it's gonna be surely a resistance. That this is our previous resistance. Now what are we supposed to do over here? Yeah, look at this. So this was our previous resistance. The price came up back to the resistance and then it continued dropping. But now this candle looks like a very what do you call it, a hammer candle, potential flip in the market. If this is a support, which is also right at this week, so yeah, if this is a support, you know the price will not break below this candle. I mean, it could actually break below this candle, as we saw, I think over here. I think in the 30 minutes yesterday, the trade I took yesterday, but it was in the lower time frame, so I think it was valid. Probably break below and then continue pushing up. Let's see how this plays out. Overall trend is looking really bearish, but I'm hesitating because of this candle. Okay, anything below this we're gonna take a sell, but if this makes a support over here, maybe a bullish candle, we will look for a buy up to the 74.4 area. Let me fix the scale for you, and let's see what's really happening in the market. I'm gonna also clone this as well. Oh yeah, and by the way, this actually really worked out really nicely. It's just that I got stopped out. I was expecting for it to pull back. It did pull back, and I don't care about this candle at all, because I would have already taken my positions off over here. That was just something I was trying to show you guys. It worked out, but it took me out as well. Alright, anyways, okay, what are we expecting? This is the daily support, and there is also support at the 4 hour over here. I'm gonna probably move this, I'm gonna probably move this way below up to here, looking at the 30 minutes or even the hourly. Give us a test up to here, this area, and if this continues to flipping bullish, I will probably consider a buy. It did came back at this area. It's just been 10 minutes. I think I want to risk this as well. Just 6 pips, so not gonna affect me too much, but okay, never mind. Never mind. I was really hesitating because of this candle. So wow, it came back at the support. Now, will it break the support or will it push further up? A 30-minute closed at the support. I think I can move this actually because there was some hesitation for the price at this area, but it just broke below really easily. So that is our top of the range. This is our bottom of the range for today. We're at support. Is there any news today? I don't think there is any news today. New Zealand dollar and some low impact news. That's probably not gonna affect us too much. Damn, it might actually fill this rain week, the 4-hour week. Okay. Give your all to me. It's trying to break past the hourly support. Hourly support break गर्यो. Okay, this candle was a lie. This candle was a lie, and the price is probably gonna continue dropping. Damn, in 30 minutes it's at support. In the 1 hour it went past the support, broke below. In the 4 hour there is a potential for it to fill the wick. It's like only 15 pips, so it's not even worth anything. But if it does, past manages to break past this zone, it will be a really nice sell. But let's see. We're not gonna take any positions. However much I want to sell this, because we are at support, and that's why I don't want to sell this. And I don't even want to contradict this whole move because of the really bearish move over here. This might give us a short pullback, but since the trend is really bearish, I don't want to enter. Okay, it is trying to break that support. It's only 10 pips. Damn. Nah, I'm not gonna take any entry over here. It's just the starting of the hourly candle, and those are filled with lies. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. Price did move around 20 pips. Wow, okay. Now this looks good. But yeah, I'm not gonna enter. But I think I'm learning though. I'm learning how not to trade. Around 10 pips. It's really tempting because it's just 10 pips. But that is what happens. I think यही होला क्या अल्गोरिदमहरूले पनि होइन they trick you into taking some trades and making it seem like it's possible to get some nice entries and exits, but it's actually just deception by the algorithm. Because why is it just flipping, gonna try and break above, break below? Wow. All right. It broke past the 4-hour support as well. Yeah, it broke past the daily support. It broke past the no, not entirely actually. Not quite there yet. Yeah, I suppose. I did manage to feel the week though. No, even though it was tempting, I did not take this sell. I did not trust this candle at all. So let's see what happens. I mean, if we get a possible retest to this area, the support areas, I might, look for another entry. I might look for a sell. Damn, look at that. Look at the candle. Came back, yeah, came back, tested the support, now it's dropping as well. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. Thompson. So I don't think this is. Nah, I need to put another one right over here. All right, guys. Okay. I'm getting a message over here. That's why I'm not talking at all. But okay. All right. So as we can see, this was a continuation to the downward. I didn't wanted to take any sales over here because it was even though it was really tempting, only 10 pips of stop loss, I really didn't want to take it because it was right at support. Maybe it's my bad. Give you my name. Hi. Now we're at the previous week, another daily low, or even this is even the weekly low. Yeah, it was the lowest point for the week. Will there be a potential flip or not? Damn, it's just breaking and breaking and breaking. But there is no place for me to enter at this point in time, because an entry would have been possible at this zone. the breakout of this zone. Also, by the way, looking at the 15 minute, the 15 minute had two possible entries over here. This came back, tested the support. This came back, I mean the resistance, tested the resistance as well. And this also looks like a retest to the previous body, but we're just looking for the closure of this hourly candle. Maybe a pullback, then maybe we can take a sell, but nah, I don't want to enter. Hey. Or I think it's just that, why I hesitate to enter, because I'm not really good with this kind of trade as well. Will be the case. That's why I have to improve a lot, Okay, wow, look at the candle, the closer. There is no wick at the bottom. And it made a really 70 pips moves. You will love to catch it. Now we're at previous 4 hour support is over here. So, if this is the previous 4 hour support, by the way, what I'm trying to look at it now is for this candle to maybe make another push up to this area for me to enter, but if it does not push up back to this area, I will not have a clean entry point. Where are we at? We are at previous week's support. We're also at some daily consolidation area, and we're at 4 hour support. Okay, let's see. This closed bullish, this might test back to up to this area. If it does, we will look for a possible entry sell, possible sell. But if it does not, then we will still not have any trades for today. Yeah, we didn't have any trades for today at all. Let's just, I don't know, skip this day now. We didn't have any entry today. Oh, damn. Wow, look at this. Now it has broke below the 4 hour support. Now it is coming back to test the 4 hour support. Now I think the price has even more potential to push further down, but there is no possible entry for me, because catching this move would have been amazing. But now I don't know where it is headed to, because we're like at a 1550s area with the potential, and there is also no clear zones. This looks just like a what do you call it, a consolidation area. So what will be my possible target in this zone? I don't know. I'm not so sure. Maybe up to this week, around 60 pips. But let's not do anything at all today, and we will yeah, it came back up to the area. Look at this, it came back to this week as well. Yeah, the body as well. Wow, what was this move caused due to? There was no news. Was it just because of the impact of the previous day news? Because the previous day news was this, and it started dropping and dropping from that area, and it has already moved 200 pips at this point. Yeah, let's skip these day. We didn't have any clear direction, so we didn't take any trades. Okay, now it did came back to these support areas. And then week back. I mean, it was around this week, but still. Now we're at 12 बजे 12 बजे आछौँ होइन. अब के गर्न सकिन्छ त भन्दाखेरि what is our possible direction? This is at the I don't think we're at anything at all. This is our support area. Let me delete this, or maybe just move it like this. That is our support for the day. I mean resistance for the day, and this will be our support for the day, which is right at around these level as well. So support level around over here. And now looking at the hourly time frame, I mean I have to clone this. Okay, now looking at the hourly time frame, it broke below the support. Now it got back in the range as well, which is a possible fake out in the hourly. I mean the 4 hour just closed as well, so it is looking bearish. The 4 hour is looking bearish. This might come back up to this support area or resistance area and continue its move downwards. So I think it's up to over here. Somewhere over here there was some form of resistance at this area, which is एकदम सही ठाउँ, किनभने 1555 रहेछ. 1555 रहेछ. यो चाहिँ कहाँ हुनु पर्ने? यो त 50 भन्दा तल झरेर रहेछ नि त यहाँ. Okay, this is the hourly. This is the 4 hour support. And our area was just this. This indeed does look like a fake out. But I don't want to contradict this 4 hour candle. So we might actually look for it to retest up to certain point, and then we will possibly enter a sell. Maybe this is the possible resistance area, which I'm gonna do something like this over here. Okay, so that was a possible resistance area. This is our possible support area as well. What it is looking like right now is We're at the 4 hour support. It did not actually came right at the support, but sigh just a little bit above the support area. So I think we can look for a buy over here. But we need a bullish candle. The hourly is looking really bearish. Did this closed actually bearish? This actually already closed. Oh wow. When did this even happen? How do I keep managing to skip the moves? I don't understand this. Yeah. Okay, potential sell zone over here. It came back to the support resistance, tested the resistance, and we can see the price dropping about from these resistance as well. So I think this was a valid test to the resistance. This came back, tested it, made a support. These now candle has already tested the resistance, but it's just not even 5 minutes in, so I don't want to look for any entry. But this does look good for a sell. Yeah, hello, whoa. Just look at that. Look at the magic move that just happened. It was just 3 minutes in, so that's why I didn't want to enter in this area. But look at this. Wow, 30 pips moves. Easy. Maybe even, continuing further down. Oh, wow. Now we're back at support again. This is so silly. The market is silly sometimes. Breaking this is a potential trade to the downside. I mean, we already seem to have made a wick, which is around 10 pips as well. Was there a news? Oh, okay, there was a news at 13:15, and there is another news at 15 ISM PMI. PMI has caused a lot of disturbance in the past as well. If this candle flips bearish, I will add a sell. Yeah, I think I will add a sell. Around 17, I think 18 pips. The risk is gonna be 50%. I'm gonna take a sell, which it actually did not just do that to me. Damn! Why do I always keep making the same mistake, bro? It was at support. Where did I take a sell at support? But look at this candle, bro. Look at that. Look at this. This looks like a potential sell for me. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I'm just bad with some kind of trades. Potential justification for me to take a buy over here, which is highly likely. Yeah. Yeah. I think I'm gonna add another position. Yeah, take me out. Yeah, take me out again. Sure, I'm gonna add another position. I'm just gonna end this stream right now. I don't want anyone to look at the mess I'm creating. Bye. Another bye. Another bye. Another bye. Another bye. Another bye. Another bye. Damn! Look at this. I'm such good with the market. All right. This looks nice. Maybe I'm gonna close last and the last. Wow. I'm gonna close last. I'm gonna close another one. I'm gonna close another one. I'm gonna close another one. Is it just silly at this point? Ah, I don't know what to do, bro. I'm messed up right now. Now it is back in the range. पचपन्न हुँदैछ होइन 56 हुँदैछ ल. Wow, the flip. I think this is due to the news. Should continue moving up, but maybe not. Where we're at 4 hour को स्ट्रक्चरले weak बनाइसकेछ. This is probably the weak this area. 30 minute किन हेरे hourly हेरौँ न. Hourly is stuck in a range which is a very messy range. Wow, damn, that this was not a tradable zone at all. I was pushing so hard just to fail, just to suffer. Came back up, tested this again, tested this area again. Looks nice for a sale, but it's stuck in a range. I don't know any possible moves. It's just moving up and down. If I was a algorithm, a computer algorithm, I will probably have made millions in this area, buying the top, selling the bottom, and doing that again and again and again. Now it's already been 15 minutes, and the news seems to be making a long run for the top. So I'm gonna enter a position over here, which is I'm just gonna risk 20 pips on this, and I'm gonna take a buy. If this closes, if I get stopped out, I will be fine with the trade, because I already think the news have done its deeds, and it's gonna continue push up. किनभने यो न्युजको पछिल्लो हाफमा भयो नि त. पहिलोचोटि भए होइन, पछि भयो, पछिकै कन्टिन्युएसन पछिले दिनुपर्ने जस्तो त लाग्छ मलाई. अब भएन भने के गर्नु त, आँखा चिम्मे गर्ने, ल गीत तैँले भन्ने छोड्ने. त्यो रिसै उठेर आइदियो यार. या मामा मिया. Give us the move up to here, baby. Give us the move up to here. I will be happy if you moved up to this. Why did I lose 2%? What I don't understand this. Did I do something wrong? I have to look at this. Okay, this was probably my mistake. Was this the cause of -2%? Was it something because I didn't took any trades yesterday? Yesterday मैले लिएको थिइनँ ट्रेड, सो केले दिया होला त तँ मलाई? यो हेरौँ त. Took a buy, took a sell, took a buy. त्यही त धेरै ट्रेडै 2% लस चाहिँ कसरी भयो? This is weird. I think it was due to these over trading at this zone, which is my bad. I was just angry, you know. Okay, now we're gonna get stopped out as well. Wow, very nice. Should have closed my partials. Should have closed my partials. It was 20 pips. I think I can only, easily take 20 pips from the market. But if I start expecting more, it just keeps, ends up making me less. Yeah, we are at 20 pips right now. But since my trade size is really small, yeah, it probably, it's gonna give us up to here. 1560. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna take profit at 1560. Hesitating at 1590. Wow. मिनट हेर्ने होइन, 30 मिनट हेर्ने हो. हायर हाइज हायर लोज बनाउँदैछ. अलरेडी 17 भइसक्यो. So I think I need to close my position. Did not give us that move at all. Yeah, let's go to the next day, because there is always next day for us to trade. Wow, it did end up giving the move, but after we slept. So frustrating. Wow, my head hurts because of over analyzing stuff probably. Okay, this is gonna be our next support, and this is our resistance, which is right at this peak as well. That is our resistance. Then what is this? Then we also have the support at this area as well. Okay, we're gonna update that. What a mess. I will probably take a break and then continue the simulation session. Ignore this. Ignore my flaws. I want to look at what happened as well. Let's see what happened. Okay, so at some point, I had really nice equity over here, and I ended up taking how many trades? a lot. Probably this was the cause of that, and lost some of the profits over here. Yeah, this was probably my fall. थर्टी मिनटमा अनि आवरलीमा के देखियो भन्दाखेरि यहाँ एउटा रेजिस्टेन्स छ, सपोर्ट त भइहाल्यो, यहीँ छ सपोर्ट, ठिक छ। 30 मिनटमा के देखियो भन्दाखेरि, and 4 hour is also looking bullish and very bullish. It has already broken past the zone. We have not seen a retest to the support, so we might as well see a retest and then keep heading up. Okay, potential zone for retest. Potential zone, I don't think there is any potential zone except this one. Did manage to come up to here as well. Yeah, this has no business breaking the low. यो आवरलीले हामीलाई, मलाई चाहिँ लाग्छ रिटेस्ट दिइसके जस्तो छ यहाँ तलसम्म हैन। नाउ दिस हेज द पोटेन्सियल टु ब्रेक अबभ द हाई। अनि विकलीमा पनि के देखिन्छ त, विकली त एकदम बेरिस छ, तर अझै 2 दिन बाँकी छ विकलीको लागि। प्रिभियस डेलीले सपोर्ट बनाइसक्यो, नेक्स्ट डेली इज अल्सो लुकिङ गुड। We might actually see a bullish move moving forward, and if I believe this to be our retest, this has to go up. So I'm gonna take another trade over here. यो पालि चाहिँ म तल्लै राख्छु, म 26-27 पिप्स पो राख्नुपर्ने भएको छ। 27 नै हैन, 28 पिप्स राख्नुपर्ने भएको छ। स्प्रेडै कति धेरै छ। अनि त्यस पछाडि किन ट्रेड गरेँ मैले फेरि 12 को क्यान्डलले। मैले पनि यसरी नै मिस्टेक गरेँ जस्तो लाग्छ, अहिले पनि त्यसरी नै मिस्टेकै हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ। I mean, it already broke the low as well. Holding on to this trade is gonna be my downfall. 15 मिनटले मैं लास्ट को 15 मिनटले दिए तो move. Okay, maybe another position can be added now. 18 pips, which is actually around 20 pips, 21 pips. We're gonna take another buy. अनि हाम्रो यो पनि माथि नै सार्छु म। Push, push, push. You have to break above, boy. Break above the zone. 7 मिनटमा मात्रै हुँदैछ, म 7 मिनटै माथि गयो। तर्चाउँछ नि त यसले त, बिमै क्लोज हान्नुपर्छ क्या। Yeah, bro. I think I have seen this candle somewhere as well. Somewhere meaning over here. कहाँ देखाऊँ भने तिमीहरूलाई हैन। Maybe up over here. हुँदै माया हुँदै उठ्दै स्टप भने हान्छ। भन्दैछु कस्तो रिस उठ्यो क्या मलाई होइन, साह्रो रिस उठ्यो क्या। किन भन्दाखेरि यो मैले देखेकै मुभ हो नि त, देखिरहेकै मुभ हो नि त। ट्याक्क लाएर हाम्रो रेजिस्टेन्समा आयो अनि त्यो छाडी कन्टिन्यू गर्दैछ साला बेरिज मुभमा। तर स्वत कस्तो हो, साह्रो भयो यार, अति भुला। चुतिए क्यान्डल हो के बात तेरी। मुभ त देखिरहेको छु नि, माथि नै जानेछ मुभ त। दिमाग खराब गरिदिए यार, धत तेरी। गर्दिनँ ट्रेड्स रेडियो, ट्रेडिङ मलाई होइन होला, फाप्दैन जस्तो छ। आज त लास्ट भयो। राइट एट सपोर्ट भएर नि होला, रेजिस्टेन्स भएर नि होला, मेरै गल्ती हो यार। अब चाहिँ किन्नु पर्ने थियो होला, यहाँ चाहिँ किन्ने हो क्या माल, यहाँ किनेर हुन्छ। अब त के किन्नु नि, अब राम्रो देखिरहेको किनिदिएको नि, अब त के किन्नु। तर बुलिसै छ यत्रो, जोन पुरै बुलिस 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 छ यार, 4 आवर त्यत्रो बुलिस छ। सपोर्टमा आएकै थिएन र सपोर्टमा आउँछ होला भन्दै नि हेरेको मलाई यही जस्तो लाग्यो र पो त, यही होला है सपोर्ट भनेर बाई ल्या, न बाई किन लिन्थ्यो। बीमा क्लोज हुन पर्ने थियो रहेछ क्या, मेरै गल्ती हो। अब चाहिँ आयो जस्तो लाग्यो सपोर्टमा होइन, सपोर्टमा अब आयो। अब यो त जोन त धेरै ठुलो छ, ठुलो नि क्या, अघि पनि त्यति नै खायो होला, अहिले पनि त्यति नै खायो होला। हानिदियो 2% हान्यो, बाई हानिदियो। अनि सक्यो, आजलाई ट्रेडै सक्यो, यो हप्ताभरिलाई सक्यो ट्रेड। चौध 34 भयो, फेरि थपौँ जस्तो लागेर अब यहाँ एउटा जिब्बा। कति पिप मुभ भयो, 2 पिप साला, 2 पिप मुभ हुन्छ। खराब गर्दैन, ब्रेक गर साला, चुतिया ब्रेक गर हो जा। अझै जानु पर्थ्यो नि, फेरि तल आइस फर्केर। तँलाई त मैले यार, तँलाई त मैले के गरिदिउँ, क्लोज गरिदिउँ होइन, हुँदै छोड्थेँ। हान्छु स्टपै हानेर मरोस् होइन। अरे जोन छ नि त हो, यसलाई नै हेर्नु, अघि पनि त्यही भयो। यसलाई ब्रेक गर भन्छु, फेरि फर्केर आएर उल्टै उडाइदियो। यसलाई पनि ब्रेक गर भन्छु, फेरि फर्केर आइसक्यो। यसलाई त स्किप हानिदिउँ न, के हुँदो रहेछ निकै, त्यो त्यत्रो तल आइसक्यो या, तल त नआउनु पर्ने हो जहाँसम्म मलाई लाग्छ। 15 मिनटले के गरे हो। जस्ट इम्पेसेन्ट ट्रेडर हो क्या म। अघि हेर मात्र यसलाई कुलीलाई मुलाई यहाँसम्म आउन दिएको भयो होइन, यही हुनुपर्छ सपोर्ट, यही हुनुपर्छ रिटेस्ट भनेर छोडिदिने भएको थियो। यी खा रिटेस्ट, अब यसले चाहिँ माथि रिटेस्ट गरेर तल जानलाई दिने हो। मार्केटले मुभ नदिने होइन क्या, यो एक्जिक्युसनमै समस्या हो, यो साइकोलोजीमै समस्या हो। नाउ लुक एट द्याट, इट टुक मी आउट बट इट डिड एन्ड अप गेटिङ मी दिस होल एस मुभ, यु नो। यसलाई यति कुरा भयो मैले, तर म लिन्छु ल, आई डोन्ट माइन्ड मी, आई हेभ टु टेक सम प्रफिट्स। कहाँ होस् हुँदै आजलाई छोडिदिउँ, यहाँसम्म त अनि ब्रोक इभन अबभ द जोन खे। यहाँ तल रिटेस्ट गरेपछि 4 आवरको सपोर्टलाई रिटेस्ट गरेपछि and it managed to break past the zone as well, which is what I was looking for. धेरै पनि त केही हेरे आएनन् मैले, त्यति हेर्दा पनि अनि यसले मलाई दिमाग खराब गरेपछि हेर यो कति पिपको ट्रेड भएको थियो, 1.5% गेन भयो जस्तो छ। मैले क्लोज गरे भए यसलाई, अनि यो रेजिस्टेन्स यहाँ सपोर्टको टेस्ट पछि इफ आई ह्याड टेकन अ सेल, आई मिन होइन हुँदै। अब यसले यस्तो गरौँ, लास्ट फ्राइडे एउटा बाँकी छैन, फ्राइडेसम्म ट्रेड गर्ने होइन। यहाँ र फेरि आयो कि आएन, फेरि आयो मादर जात, यहाँसम्म आयो, सपोर्टसम्मै आयो, सपोर्टसम्मै आयो। अनि कस्तो राम्रो इजी मुभ भयो, हेर त ल, दिमाग खराब गरेर यो क्यान्डलले यसलाई नि म ध्यान दिइरहेको छु। आज गएर सबै रिभ्यू गर्न चाहिँ के भयो भनेर होइन, टेन्सन दियो नि आज त। 4, 8, 12 हेरौँ, 12 त बुलिसै छ ल, बुलिस छ। वी आर जस्ट रेन्जिङ एट दिस पोइन्ट, फ्राइडे नै क्लोज हुन लाग्यो। विकली पनि अब विकलीको यो पुरै करेक्सन त के देलाएर मुभ होइन, के देखिन्छ भन्दाखेरि दिस इज आवर रेजिस्टेन्स, द्याट इज आवर सपोर्ट, ब्रोक अबोभ द रेजिस्टेन्सभन्दा माथि क्लोज भइसकेछ। रेजिस्टेन्सभन्दा माथि क्लोज भइसकेको मतलब के हुन्छ, देयर इज अ पोटेन्सियल फर इट टु कन्टिन्यू मुभिङ अप। तर अर्को पनि के देखिन्छ त भन्दाखेरि यो त 4 आवरको रेजिस्टेन्स हो होइन, आवरली पनि ब्रेकै गऱ्यो नि त ल, यसलाई नै मानौँ न त। आई थिङ्क दिस हेज पोटेन्सियल टु मुभ फर्दर अप, as it already broke above the resistance, came back, tested the resistance. This has potential to continue moving up. त्यस्तै भन्दैमा होइन, look at this होइन, came back below. Right, I want to see it continue moving up. मैले भने जस्तो कहाँ हुन्छ त त्यही पनि। ड्याम ब्रो, विशाललाई यो जोनै नराम्रो हो कि, एकदम हरामी हो क्या यो क्यान्डल। यी मार्केटको ओपनमा र यो मार्केटको केमा त ट्रेड, ओहो ल हेर त कस्तो ब्रेक गरेको यसले ल, के भएको थियो यहाँ, बट डिड इट डु, इट ब्रोक पास्ट द 4 आवरको सपोर्ट। यो 4 आवरै पो गएछ, सरी फर द्याट। राइट, 16 पो भएछ त्यही। ओके, माई ब्याड, आई थिङ्क आई डिड एन उप्सी हो होइन। यहाँ ब्रोक गरो 4 आवरको सपोर्ट, अनि इट्स जस्ट विक डाउन। अनि यसलाई हेरौँ न, मैले हेर्न चाहेको चाहिँ यही हो यहाँ होइन। 13मा के गरौँ भन्दाखेरि लास्ट अनफेभरेबल हो मुभ भयो। लुक एट द्याट, प्लुत्त किन भएको, वाइ डिड इट ह्यापन। लेट्स गो ब्याक 15 minutes more. Oh wow, that is incredible. Let's go back, let's look at the 4 hour time frame. I think यही 4 आवरको सपोर्टमा प्रायः जस्तो स्टप लसहरू थियो होला, अनि त्यही हो। वाउ, लुक एट इट होइन, एज सुन एज इट केम ब्याक अप हियर इट जस्ट ब्रोक बिलो। न्युज पनि तेरिको कस्तो मैले ध्यान नदिएँ, न्युज पनि थियो रहेछ नि त, यो त अघि नदेखेर पो रहेछ। त्यहाँदेखि म त क्यानाडियन मात्रै देखाइरहेको छ र क्याड भनेर क्याड होला भनेको युएसडी पनि रह्यो कि, द्याट वाज ड्यु टु न्युज रहेछ ल, ठिकै छ। त्यसो भएन, इट गोज पास त्यो अनि देन करेक्ट्स फुल्ली। ओके, यो न्युज करेक्सन भएपछि हाम्रो अर्को ट्रेड पोसिबल थियो रहेछ, किनभने द न्युज जस्ट केम टु पिक लिक्विडिटी, गट ब्याक आउट अफ द जोन एज वेल। आउट अफ द जोन एज वेल भने फर्दर पुस हुन्छ होला यता माथिसम्म होइन, केही पनि गरेन यसले चाहिँ सपोर्टलाई टेस्ट गरौँ। वाउ, लुक एट दिस, यहीँसम्म आउँछ होला भन्दै यहीँसम्म। ठिक छ, यस्तै हो, सकिएन ऊ ट्रेड गर्न। मादर कुल्ली, जान्छु म एकछिन आराम गर्छु अनि फेरि आउँछु नयाँ लाइभ लिएर। ओके, द्याट्स इट आई गेस गाइज। के मिस्टेक भयो त, के चाहिँ मिलेन आज भन्दाखेरि आज आई लस्ट ओभर सर्टेन ट्रेड्स, यहाँको पनि मिलेन। अनि अर्को चाहिँ यो नि मिलेन। यसमा म धेरै नै इम्पेसेन्ट भएछ कि आई थट दिस वाज द सपोर्ट होइन, सपोर्ट बनाएछ नि त। लु भनेको अर्कोले गएर यहाँ मैले भन्दै थिएँ त, आई टोल्ड यु गाइज क्या, त्यो पनि ठ्याक्क लाएर यो क्यान्डल यस्तो फर्म भएपछि लु मलाई यसले हानु मलाई भन्ने लागिरहेको हान्दिरह यार ल। अनि चाहिँ त्यस पछाडि सपोर्ट बनायो, अनि चाहिँ बल्ल आयो, विच इज रिजनेबल। आई थिङ्क त्यही हो क्या, प्राइसले नि अब इमोसनसँग खेलेर अनि त्यस पछाडि मुभ भएर कति सिम्पल कति सजिलो मुभ भएको थियो। ल सुरु माथि गयो कि गएन, यस्तो कुर्नुपर्छ क्या, पेसेन्सै छैन तिमीहरूको, ट्रेडिङ गर्छौ भन्छौ यार त बेइज्जत भइहाल्छ नि। ल द्याट्स इट फर टुडे।